Hey everybody, Brian with Trail Tech here. Today we're going to be installing one of our universal cooling fan kits on this 2019 KX450. The reason we're doing a universal fan kit today is because we do not offer a model-specific kit for this bike. However, we do have several model-specific fan kits available. Just check our website to see if we have one for your bike.
Each universal fan kit includes everything you'll need for a quick and easy installation, including a 4-inch cooling fan, mounting kit, threading rods, retaining nuts, and washers to lock it down, a 10mm temperature sensor, a 24-inch temperature sensor extension, thermal grease, and of course the TTO digital display to set your desired temperature. Once you've decided where to put your temperature sensor in the radiator, be sure to apply a good amount of thermal grease to the temperature sensor housing and the radiator itself. The 10mm temperature sensor included may be too large for your radiator. Be sure to measure the spacing between the gaps in the radiator and file down the housing if needed. Next, we will be installing the fan. Once you locate where you want to put it on your radiator, simply insert the threading rods through the 4 provided lockdown holes on the fan and through the radiator, securing them with the locking nuts for a nice snug fit. Now that we have the fan and the temperature sensor installed on the radiator, we need to decide where to mount our TTO temperature display. Using the provided template, you can cut and place your TTO display anywhere you want. For this installation, I'm putting it in the bar pad, which requires a little bit of modification to extend the wiring, but it's not too difficult. Remember, this is a universal kit. We recommend using the radiator shrouds, or like I did here, the bar pad is a good location. Now that you have the fan, temperature sensor, and TTO display all installed, it's time to connect the wires. Plug the temperature sensor into the TTO display along with the fan, and run the power wire from your battery to the TTO display itself. As usual when doing any wiring, try to follow the stock wiring harness when possible. Use zip ties to secure it so everything stays nice and in its place. Now that you've got everything installed and plugged in, it's time to fire it up and see this thing in action. As you can see, when you press the button on the TTO temperature display, you can adjust the temperature to exactly what temp you want the fan to kick on at. Pretty easy and pretty awesome.
As you can see, this was a pretty easy installation, didn't take a whole lot of time, and didn't require a whole lot of tools. So be sure to check our website, look for us on Instagram and Facebook, and thanks for watching everybody. Leave your comments below.